Hello friend, my name is Rob Boss, and today I'm here to have fun with you. We're going to have a great time doing a happy little TV mount install on this beautiful canvas we have prepared back here. Echogear has been around for several years now, and it's a pleasure to be in your living room every single time. So thanks for welcoming me in once again, and ready to have some fun? Let's get to it. Today we're going to be installing a tilting TV mount, a lovely EGL T3. Most of what you need is already in the box. However, you're going to need a few tools. Let's have our graphics man show them on the bottom of the screen. Now, just like people, all TVs are different and special in their own way. Once you choose the correct hardware for your specific screen, you're just going to give the TV a friend. When you're putting these screws into your TV, you don't over tighten. Often at work we're so stressed and over tighten. This is the time just to snug those screws up nice. There we go. That's great. Okay, wonderful. Now we're going to put together the wall plate. Now the great thing about this wall plate is that it nests together perfectly, like a nice little family of blue jays. Just imagine yourself drinking a cup of tea, watching the blue jays play. That's the feeling you're going to get when putting this together. You know, it's just an overwhelming sense of positivity toward the world. And here we are tightening the nuts. You know, just a little bit. Don't overdo it. Sometimes, you know, you get working and it starts to feel good, and the next thing you know, oh, you've overdone it. Perfectly snug. Now that all our parts are prepared, we're going to need to drill holes in the wall. But sometimes you might feel like, hey, I might make a happy little mistake while trying to screw into my wall. Well, lucky for you, we provided this template that helps you make just one less happy little mistake today. You'll tape it on your wall, and it will help you drill exactly where you need to be drilling. Now, before we hang that up, let's find our studs on the wall. Oh, looks like we found one. Now, to mark it, we're going to be using this titanium white to do a happy little cloud, you know, just a little, just tap, 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 you know. Just a whisker. We're going to go to the right till we locate our next one. Right about there. Again, tap, 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 tap. Now, some people are afraid to drill holes in their wall, but I'm telling you you can do it. Why? Because you can do it. That was sure fun. Now, we're going to hang this wall plate with these light bulbs. Come with me. It's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, putting the TV on the wall. Use these screws to easily level it right out. It's time to find freedom. You're the creator. This is your world. Choose your destiny. Tilt the TV just with your fingertip, just with your fingertips, just the slightest touch. Well, that all but wraps up our project today. It's been a real pleasure having you tag along on this journey. Thank you, and see you next time on Mountain with Rob Boss. I'm Rob Boss. Bye now.